Welcome to our service tutorials. My name is Daniela. I'm a trainer here at Probat, and with me is Dominic.
Hi.
Dominic was working in production before and is now completing our service team. The topic of this tutorial will be the adjustment of the drum gap. So Dominic, why is it so important that we adjust the drum gap?
Yeah, the drum gap gets problematic if it's too wide or too narrow. If it is too wide, you will get problems with the airflow or have complete beans falling into the drawer. And of course, if it's too narrow, it will start to grind at the front plate of the machine.
This sounds like it would be done quite quickly.
It's a little bit more complicated because you have to open some parts to check the drum gap perfectly.
And how this is done in detail will be shown to you now, step by step.